sent to via email to all of you. So you all got time, you'll refer back. Because this chapter, to me, chapter section 1 and section 2, very important. If your foundation is strong on that point, the rest of the chapter, no problem. Because just debit, credit concept. So this later, I will do the recording, so at least you all roughly know what I'm trying to talk about. In future, refer back to the recording, see again what I'm trying to send out the message. Everybody clear for that? For this part so far, the sales journal. Clear, huh? So in terms of the recording, you're also clear that how should we do the recording. So as I say, your recording for the sales journal in the column date, detail, dollar sign. Okay, record based on the actual day where is the transaction happen. End of the month, transfer to the sales account, the total. So the question want us to do the ledger. Ledger means that T account. This is a T account. So we open the T account. Customer is our asset. So debit side based on the actual date transaction. But come to recording the sales account, we put under the general ledger, and in the last day, we put total credit sales for the month and the total amount recorded. Clear for this sales journal? Yeah, I say okay, huh? Okay, that's I clean it out. So we go back to the slide again. So now go back to this slide. So the rule, when goods sold on credit, so enter the detail, date, customer name, and the invoice total in the sales journal. In sales ledger, debit the customer account with invoice total. At the end of the month, in nominal ledger, credit sales account with the sales journal total are here. Here, the notes that I put nominal ledger. Nominal ledger also equal to the general ledger. Same meaning. Okay? Can? Say. Now, only the total of sales journal is posted to the sales account. Okay. Now, the next thing I wanted to ask is, in this slide, you heard that I say sales journal, sales ledger, sales account. What are the differences between these three terms? One is journal, one is ledger, one is account. All sales. What is the difference? Sylvia, you done this chapter already? This section you done already, as I know. What is the difference? Okay, because why I need to highlight is that in the exam, the word they put in sales journal, sales ledger, sales account, be careful because your working to give the answer will be different. The presentation also different. Okay, next. Now I'm going to explain what is this three term about. Okay, sales journal is the list of credit sales. Okay, so normally is in 1 month period you do the updating. 1 month period you do the updating. Whenever have the credit sales for the month, you just update on it. This is a list of credit sales. This we will put in individual customer name. Get it? But sales ledger, the moment you saw the word ledger, in your mind, must be think about the T account. But what T account? Yeah, this one account also T account. But why this one also T account? But this sales ledger refer to the customer account. You have A customer, B customer, C customer. So this basically is to record individual customer. If you have sales, so you will put in the sales value into here. There's an individual customer. Get it? Last. This sales account is, when we put it, we put in the general ledger, which is, here is sales, here is general. Two different ledger, two different book. So this book that we record, normally if we record total the amount for this month, how much we record it. See the three different terms, sales journal, sales ledger, sales account, clear for that?
Yeah.
Clear, huh? Okay. Don't worry, I will send the recording, huh? So that you don't need to rush to copy this. Okay, now we move on to the slide. So now we settle this sales journal already. Understanding hopefully is there. Sales return. This sales return, you add one more word in here, return. Means that your customer not happy and want to return goods to you. That is called sales return. So this is to record a list of the name of the businesses where the goods return to the business. It's exactly what you did for the sales journal. So your sales journal, this is your sales journal. You record the list. Just now, okay. Okay. This sales journal, we open 4 columns. We put the date, we put the detail, we put the dollar sign. Same to the sales return. Sales return also doing the same. Also 4 columns. Put the date, put the detail, dollar and sign. Everything same. Put the date when, let's say 29. Okay, customer A return. A customer return 100. So I had to record 100. If nothing to discount, just straight away. Let's say the whole month, I only got one customer return to me. So 31st July, total sales return, total amount, okay, straight away to total amount, transfer to sales return account. See the same like what you did for the sales journal. It's exactly same except that you added one more word, return. Everybody clear for that? Yeah. So let's say this customer A returned to you. How you going to do the recording in the sales ledger? This 100, you have to record into here. Okay. On what date you return? 29. So you 29. So just now your customer A buy from you 1,000. So now return. So balance left is 900. Get it?
Yeah.
Clear, Elisa? Okay, now move on. Okay. If these two clear, before we move on to the rest, then we do some exercise. Okay?